Properly preparing the windows of your home for a harsh winter will not only keep the inside of your home warmer, it will also drastically reduce energy costs associated with heating your house. It is a good idea to remove the window screen in the fall months. Since windows are usually closed most of the winter and they're not needed, removing the screen allows you access for winterizing your windows and will help your screens last longer. You will first want to inspect your windows carefully. The best way of testing for air leaks is the candle test. While inside, hold a lit candle up 4 to 6 inches from your window. If the flame flickers or if it is extinguished, you know you have a leak. Continue your examination of the window unit. Are there loose or cracked panes in the window? Be sure to examine any strips of caulk for cracking or peeling and check the weather stripping between the frame and the wall. Any of these elements may cause an air leak. If you notice old caulking that is coming loose or breaking apart, remove the old caulk and reapply a fresh coat. This can be applied directly to the surface of the window casing. If you have completed these tasks and still find drafts or air leaks in your home windows, you might consider purchasing a window insulation kit to install on the exterior portion of your windows. These kits contain a shrink film that adheres directly to the exterior of the home. This insulation will help reduce cold air filtration through your window into the home, keeping you warmer and lowering energy costs. Some may go a step further, hanging heavy curtains or drapes inside the home, which act as another layer of protection from the cold. While this may help some, many people conversely prefer an abundance of sunshine from their windows to help warm their home. Window films adhere directly to the window pane and will block up to 99% of damaging UV rays, which can fade furniture, rugs, and floors. Using a window film will allow ample but safe sunlight to flood the room, so it will not damage your home. Window film kits come with a handy squeegee, edging tool, lint cloth, and spray bottle for easy installation. Whether your windows need a simple touch-up or a complete installation, every job is made easier at the Home Depot. If you have any questions about winterizing your windows, please see a local associate for assistance.